Hey everyone, it's Allison from Wholesome LLC. Lauren and I really have been wanting to show many of you how to make your own turmeric capsules. Now, a lot of my patients ask me about the benefits of turmeric and how they can be helpful for our health. The biggest thing about turmeric that I love is that it's anti-inflammatory and it can also be anti-angiogenic. What that means is that when a cancer tumor creates its own blood supply, or angiogenesis, what the turmeric can do is actually be anti-angiogenesis, which means that it's going to cut off that blood supply to the tumor, which is something that we really want to have happen for cancer patients. But like I said, it is an excellent anti-inflammatory, but the biggest thing that I like to refer to all times is research. And research really points to the fact that turmeric and then curcumin has some really great benefits to it. So for example, you can probably see a little bit that my fingers are already a little bit yellow. I have been making a little bit of turmeric capsules already today, and turmeric is truly what gives its yellow color to things like curry or even mustard that you might be familiar with. So it does stain things yellow a little bit, but it does go away eventually. So for many of you who have been on Wholesome LLC before or know some of the research that I get into, one of my favorite places for research is through Dr. Michael Greger and How Not to Die. He also has a website called nutritionfacts.org, which is one of my favorite resources to help educate other individuals because he is truly a wealth of knowledge and evidence-based practice for nutrition. So I just wanted to pull up his book called How Not to Die, which is one of my favorite books. I'm a total nutrition nerd, so if you've met with me before, you know that I love to refer to this book and do a lot of reading and a lot of research, even when the book is a little bit fat. So the first thing that I wanted to show was that research has shown that turmeric and curcumin, which is the active component of turmeric, has played a role in preventing or treating lung disease, brain disease, and a variety of cancers, including multiple myeloma, colon cancer, and pancreatic cancer. It has also been shown to help speed recovery after surgery and effectively treat rheumatoid arthritis better than the leading drug of choice. It's also been shown to be effective in treating osteoarthritis and other inflammatory conditions such as lupus and inflammatory bowel disease. And one last thing, a trial for ulcerative colitis found that 50% of patients achieved remission within just 1 month of using curcumin compared to none of the patients who received the placebo.